Victims' rights are important because no one chooses to be a victim.
Kirsten Flores is the Director of Victim Services at the Arizona Attorney General's Office, where advocates helped nearly 10,000 crime victims this past year.
The things that we hear and that we assist victims through are some of the worst situations that people are going through.
They're all ages and from all walks of life, victims of any criminal offense that's being investigated or prosecuted by the AGO.
Oftentimes they're dealing with the trauma that comes with being a crime victim. And at the same time, they're thrust into a criminal justice system that is very confusing and overwhelming and may not meet the expectations that they may have from watching TV.
That's where victims' advocates come in to walk them through the lengthy court process, providing help with everything from impact statements and crisis services to keeping them in the loop about their case. The AGO provided nearly 125,000 services last year. Before the early 90s, crime victims felt alienated. They were often excluded from criminal proceedings.
They were considered just another piece of evidence. They were not notified. They were not heard.
Since that time, Arizona voters passed the Victims' Bill of Rights, now part of our Constitution, to make sure that victims have a voice in our criminal justice system. Their first right is to be treated with dignity, fairness, and respect.
That they're included and that they're heard and that they feel like they have a say in what's going on in their case.
They're also entitled to restitution and to be notified when the convicted person is no longer in custody.
We're doing all that we can to make sure that victims are made whole.
For AGTV, I'm Heather Moore.